In 1918, when the influenza pandemic caused by the H1N1 virus ravaged the world, the Public Record Office in London confirmed that a group of Anglican members gathered to pray in Ijebu-Ode, Nigeria, for God's intervention and healing in the height of the pandemic. That was the beginning of the solutions to the pandemic, as many were healed. History is about to repeat itself again, as another revelation has come through the Diocesan Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Lagos. Join us at 6 p.m. every day for moments of prevailing prayers, which the Anglican Church is known for, even as we commit our government and frontline health workers to His mighty hand. Our God will hear us, forgive our sin, and heal our land in Jesus' name. Amen. This message is brought to you by the Right Reverend Dr. Humphrey and Professor Mrs. Motunrayo Olumakaye for the Diocese of Lagos.